Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I am Ankita Maura and I am a food blogger and I'm exploring different kind of foods, but I'm trying to explore those foods who no one has explored. And I'm focusing on Thane East because I think I haven't explored and I haven't tried foods in Thane East, so I thought I will share with you guys about food in Thane East. So come with me and watch this video till the end. And if you are new on my channel, like, subscribe and share. And if you like my video, then support me. And so today I'm taking you. I actually did not know. I knew from someone new, and then he told me, you should go this food center because why he told me again, this is the this is very healthy breakfast, and the name of that food center is Dal Makhna. And when I heard this food name, so I was feeling like it is interesting, like I should try this. In my previous videos, if you don't watch my video, then go and watch. In my previous video I have shared that Indrajit Bhaji Wala, and it was delicious. So again today I am going in that Thane East, so let's see how that Dal Makhna how it will be the taste. And while hurting that name, so I was thinking like maybe or maybe not, this food, like it is Sindhi food, because Dal Makhna I haven't heard in my life. So it's my first time really I'm trying that Dal Makhna, and let's see how the taste will be. And again guys, so that food again, it is on thela, so he does not have any nameplate. So you should support this kind of street food. In my next video I explored this, so you should try this Dal Makhna, and you will like it. And so today I'm going there, so come with me. So behind me you can see the drawing of Lord Ram, and I'm very grateful, like before starting my video, he is in my video. And Jai Shri Ram. So, and the person who had made this picture, it is very, very amazing, and it's very nice. Lord Ram, he came in my video. I'm feeling now blessings. Now I'm feeling I'm taking his blessings. So you can see that picture, it is looking so amazing. Like I can't even tell you how it is looking. It's looking so amazing, it's so beautiful. So let's come with me, and Jai Shri Ram and happy Ganesh Chaturthi, because in Maharashtra people are everywhere they are celebrating that Ganesh Chaturthi. So with taking of blessings of Lord Rama and Ganesh Chaturthi, I want to start this video. So let's come with me. So as you can see, today I wore gown because it's very comfortable while eating. And guys, while taking my foods, I need very comfy clothes. Like you girls can relate, because we need very comfortable clothes while eating, right? So today I wore this gown. It's looking so amazing. Let's come with me. Guys, finally I reached here. And how to reach here, you have to get down in Thane East. So from that Thane East you can ask anyone that Sant Kripa Snacks Corner, otherwise Kailash Deepak Lassi, so that shop are together. So like I when I came here, so I saw a lot of crowd is there, and I can't believe. And today is Saturday, so on Sunday a lot of rush is there. So I will show you. So can you see how much crowd is there? When I came here at that time, a lot of crowd were here, and slowly that crowd has reduced. So I don't know when my turn will come and I will take. And you know, this is that new Deepak Lassi house. So after that Deepak Lassi house, you will get this Sant Kripa snacks corner, and this is Thane East. In case if you don't know, this is Thane East, so you have to come. And I will give you one tip. If you are coming to the Sant Vahaguru Snacks Corner, then don't come on Saturday and Sunday, because on Saturday and Sunday a lot of crowd will be there and you will never get your breakfast. So for that you have to come in weekends. Weekdays are the proper to eat their breakfast, and it is quite healthy actually. I am seeing, you know, he has two three foods, but the name is something different. This is not, you know, dal makhna, dal pakwan. So when I asked him, like, you know, you have that dal makhna, so he said no madam, we call it dal pakwan. So they all are busy to serving people. Even, you know, he did not have time for speak also, and I don't know what will happen. He will speak with me or not, because, you know, I want to know how much years he have completed here and what is the taste, what is the famous food in here.
दाल आती है
मूंग की दाल है, और ये
चने की दाल है,
और ये वाला
और अक्की ग्रीन आती है वो है ये।
और वो
ये दाल रहते हैं, पकवान आते हैं, 3 दाल रहते हैं, एक पकवान उसका रहता है, चटनी, हरी चटनी, पुदीना और कांदा रहता है।
So actually he is not allowing me to record anything. So 2-3 times I told him I want to record, but he is not allowing. So it's okay. So whatever I recorded, so I will show you. He is very rude actually, really. So this is 3 types of dal that before I showed you. So that 3 types of dal he mixed in one, and after that this is I think this is pakwan, like, you know, that crunchy papri, and in that dal he mixed that onion and green chili chutney and pudina chutney. So I'm trying, so let's see how the taste will.
पकवान साथ में चलेगा,
Pakwan with chutney. So let's see how the taste will, because, you know, I'm trying this for the very first time. I haven't tried, and I did not know that, like, you know, this food, it has located in Khopri. You know, in Harvest usually people call, you know, Khopri. So like you will know. Let me take my first bite. It's too hot actually, you know. In front of me he prepared that, you know, that dal, but like that dal he was making very hot, and with papri, that pakwan he I think made from his home. So let's see how the taste will. Actually it is yum. The taste is quite looking like pani puri. Like sweet, like sour, and spicy also. And you know that he has given me that 3 kind of that dal. So in that, you know, matki is also there. And the rabda he served me. So it is looking like pani puri rabda. And like, you know, what makes special for this food, because, you know, 3 types of dal he mixed in one, and from upside he gives that chutney. So because of that chutney, the taste is actually really very, you know, delicious, and with onion also, and really it's quite good. I'm having, and you know, this will be your makhna. Too big and very crunchy. Quite good. So you should come here in Kopri, in Kopri in Thane East.